Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arya and welcome back to Arya Diaries.
You're so golden.
If you are on my channel for the first time, I'm Arya. I'm from Mumbai and I'm a marketing student here in Hamburg. And I work here as well part-time. So it's just crazy how I landed up here. I was supposed to come for a hike with an Erasmus group. My friend was organizing the hike, and we were supposed to go to Travemünde, where I've been. It's a beautiful place. It has an amazing beach, and we're gonna go for a hike. The Travemünde hike was a bit easy, and this was like literally my first hike. And I don't know, there was some issue with the transportation and early in the morning, so they changed the location and they came to Lüneburg, where I tried to hike for 20 minutes and I just couldn't do it. A day before that I was traveling as well, and I kind of injured my knee while climbing to the lighthouse. I know it sounds crazy. I might put a little video of what I did.
Twerk for us, Arya. Twerk it. Twerk it, twerk it, twerk it, twerk it, twerk.
I just thought maybe it's not a good time to go for a hike today. So I just said them goodbye, and I was like, why not just travel around, look around, because I feel like I've been traveling solo for a while, and honestly I love it. I never thought I had that in me. So yeah, and I'm just so mesmerized with the city because it's so freaking beautiful. I could hear the birds chirping, the houses are beautiful, it's greenery everywhere. So yeah, I'll just show you around. This is like one of the bridge, and look at it. It's so fucking pretty. I'm so glad the sun is shining a bit. It's supposed to be a bit rainy and windy, but I'm glad I've been lucky with the weather today. By the way, I feel like I haven't introduced you to the place yet. This is a city of Lauenburg, which is approximately an hour and a half from Hamburg. Okay, here we go. Trees. Oh, I'm just trying not to fall down, because that's what is happening whenever I travel. Oh, here is a way you can go down actually. We could go there maybe, but look at this, guys. It's so pretty, but honestly it's okay. I've seen better. I've seen much better, but it actually gives a countryside vibes. I think I want to go down and see what's the scene. Again, it's a bit slopey and I hope I don't fall. I'm so glad the weather is good today. Honestly, I was not prepared today to vlog, so I didn't get my tripod or anything. But from next time, surely I'm carrying a tripod, because we never know when I start vlogging, and I'm going to vlog obviously. Ooh, there is a route here as well. I'm just scared. Should I go or not? Oh, because यहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं है. Should I take a risk and go? I'm not sure, because I'm on my own literally. मैं गिर गई तो कोई है नहीं मुझे उठाने के लिए. Oh, let's go. You know what? A for Arya starts with adventure, so we are doing the adventure. But I will keep my phone maybe a bit down, because I can't do both. So an update, I came from here, from the slope to I'm going there. okay, there are stairs here, so I don't have to worry about anything. Oh, I could have gone from there as well. I didn't have to take a longer route. And there are people there, so I'm safe now. No entry allowed, but again, there are like small houses. Oh, there is something here. Another castle or perhaps a church. I'm not sure. I think it's a church because it's not open as such. Oh, it's a bit huge. So I again met the old German couples, and they told me that they are also from Hamburg, and they usually travel every weekend to another cities, to churches, to pray for their family, which is like very sweet. And this is one of the church I was telling you guys about. यहाँ पे भी लिखा है, it was made in 1585. Wow. And yeah, I was there during the World War times, and they also practice adultery here. Damn, reminds me of Scarlet Letter. You know, the best part about Germany is everywhere you go, the houses, the structure, the architecture, it's so different. Like every city has their own different architecture. And most of the church, they have this clock, and sometimes when it's 12 or 9, it rings, you know, like फिर पता चलता है 1 घंटा हो गया ऐसे. It's Sunday, so that's why maybe everything is closed, or maybe it's just like oh, these are the old German couples I was talking about, by the way. So cute, right? Okay, so यहाँ पे लिखा है private wake. That means it's a private property and I can't enter even though it looks so cute. From here the church actually looks so pretty, you know, like all the brown aesthetics, and it's raining a bit. By the way, look at the roads, you know, like once you start coming to the countryside, you will often face this kind of roads. Also, it started raining, so I'm so glad I carried my rain protected jacket. And I think this is a school because it's way too big, and यहाँ पे इधर कुछ तो है. It looks like a kindergarten school. Look at this, it's so pretty. Ooh. There, we walked from there, we were there for a whole circle, and now I came from here, and वहाँ पे castle है. So I think we did a whole round of a city. So this is how the castle looks from outside. It's super small, and there are stairs to go all the way up. Let's go. The stairs are wooden. I'm just a bit scared. Ooh, it's spooky. Damn. What is it? I'm so scared at this point because I'm here alone. Is this some kind of a jail? Because it looks like it, like a small room and a door to lock. I hope it's not scary there. See, there are chains. What kind of a haunted place I'm at? Stairs are crazy. There's a clock machine. And I have to go up there. Fuck, I'm so scared at this point because no one is here, and It's just so fucking crazy. I feel like this is some kind of a jail or where people used to be hanged. And I'm just not good with the horror places. But it's, I think, worth a while for the view. So, and we're almost here. And it's raining. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, Ganda. Okay. Fuck, I got hurt. Oh my god. So typically me. Sweaty. It's really windy. The view was worth it. At least from there. There's a sea and the houses. It's crazy how all the buildings are so aesthetically pleasing and brown. Here. And then this building, which is just so mediocre. So again, while crossing paths, I came here. There were people, so I'm not too scared. And I had a courage to go here. It actually looks like a jail and a bit of sunlight which is coming from here. Yeah, I mean, imagine how spooky it would be. Let me try. Ah, it's so heavy. Oh no. Okay, I'm not locking it away, but it is pretty. It's not that dark. Come on, I think due to the sunlight it's not that dark. Okay, so I read this and I got to know that this, where we went and we actually thought it was a jail, it was a gun tower which was built in 1477, and it was used for gun firing, and from the top you could actually see till a long distance and you could just aim someone and fire. So again, it's associated with the place of death, so no wonder I was a bit scared. And it looked a bit spooky. Look at this bridge. I'm trying to go there near the sea now. Whoa, I think I finally found a road. I hope this is the same one. Okay, yeah, it's the same one. I'm so confident right now. Plus the entrance is so fucking good. Like a greenery. So pretty, bro. Look at this. I hope. No, I am so sure this road is going to the river. Another update. I didn't go down. I tried going, but there were too many steps. And going down is fine, but I'm not sure how will I come up. And my knee is already injured, so I didn't want to do too much. So I'm just here enjoying the view, and view is not bad. And this is like pretty much the view. There are cool flowers here. I don't know if you could see the stairs. You have to go all the way down. It's there. It's like a zigzag and too much of stairs, honestly. And here again there are a lot more flowers. And I remember we were in that bridge before, so I'm just gonna chill here for a while, have my protein bar, recharge, and then leave. I am officially lost. I can't find the main train station here. I remember walking with a group, so there was a navigator that time. So I was just following around, and the train station, it doesn't even have like a typical roof or something. It was a bit weird. And yeah, I just can't find it. I tried so hard. I was walking for like 30 minutes constantly, and I'm here at a bus stop and I'm trying to see if the bus is reaching me to a train station or not. So let's see. I hope I reach home safe. I finally reached Hamburg. I'm so tired at this point because it took me 3 hours to reach. First I was lost, and I got into bus, and even the train got delayed, I think due to some construction work. And today's Sunday, so I think it must be like Mega Block, which is in Mumbai. I don't know. I'm super tired now, so I'm just gonna take a long shower and get ready for tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog.